In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Zoom for video conferencing and virtual meetings. After creating your Zoom account and signing in, you will arrive on the Zoom dashboard. From there, look toward the top right corner and click Host. This starts an instant meeting that you control, making it a quick way to begin a call without scheduling it first. When you click Host, Zoom will ask how you want to begin the meeting. You can choose video on, video off, or screen share only. Select video on if you want to appear on camera as soon as the meeting starts. Choose video off if you want to join the meeting with your camera disabled and turn it on later if needed. If your goal is to immediately present something on your screen without appearing on camera, choose screen share only. You can change your camera setting later, so simply select the option that matches how you want to begin. Once you make your selection, Zoom will take you directly into the meeting. At that point, you are live as the meeting host. To invite other people, go to the bottom of the meeting window and click Participants. This opens the Participants panel. Inside that panel, click Invite to open the available invitation options. If you have contacts already added to Zoom, you can search for them directly in the invite window and send an invitation from there. If you want to share the meeting details yourself, click Copy URL. This copies a meeting link that you can paste wherever you want to send it. You can also click Copy Invitation instead. This copies a complete invitation message that includes the meeting link along with the other essential meeting details in a formatted message. After copying it, the information is stored on your clipboard and is ready to paste into an email, chat, or any other messaging platform you use. While you are in the invitation area, you will also see the meeting passcode. Some participants may be asked to enter this passcode when joining the meeting. If that happens, simply share the passcode together with the meeting link so they can join successfully. After sending the invitation, wait for your participants to open the meeting link. If they are prompted for the passcode, they can enter it before joining the meeting. As participants connect, they will appear in your participant list. You can monitor this list from the participants panel to see who has joined your meeting. Once everyone has entered the meeting, you are ready to begin your virtual meeting. That is all you need to do to start a Zoom meeting and invite participants. With just a few clicks, your meeting is ready and you can begin collaborating with everyone who has joined. Thank you for watching.